Hi students, I just wanted to jump on real quick. I will be gone today and tomorrow. So a couple things that we haven't quite gotten to with Replit, and I wanted you to see how to use them. So after you do the reading today, you're gonna have some practice to do on Replit. So open up Replit, and hopefully you remember your login. I think most of you logged in with Google. You're gonna go up here and create a REPL. And then I don't know if it'll pop up for you. I've used it before, but if not, you want the Python Replit. For the name, I would probably name it 2A practice or something like that so that you can find it later, and then click create Replit. All right, so once you're here is where you can start coding. You should get a handout in class that looks like this. That has kind of what you're supposed to do. Do you remember how to comment your name on the first line? Okay, then you're going to make a variable, call it y, assign an integer to it, your choice, print out that variable and print its type, make a variable called x, give it a float value, print x and its type. Then you're going to convert them to integer, convert x to an integer, print it, and print its type. Convert y to a string, print it, and print its type. And finally, print out a string of what you think the most important idea was from those sections you read. When it says don't hard code this, we'll talk more about that when I get back. The idea though is you don't want to have to, and it talks about in the text, you don't want to have to say x equals 6. X equals quotes 6 to change it to a string. There's a way you can do that so that you don't have to change it multiple times if you were to change the value. So look in the reading for that if you're unsure. All right, once you finish that, two options on how you can share this with me. First, you can invite me to the workspace. That way, it's kind of like a Google Doc. I can see it. I could actually edit it with you. So you would search my name. My name is too long, so it actually cuts off. It's not going to find that because I am that person. But that's what it is. I also put that on the assignment in case you didn't catch it. Okay, so you could either invite me to your workspace. That's one way to share it with me. Or you can get this join link, copy that, and then you can submit it to this practice on Schoology. So either way, when you're done with it, share it with me so I can check it over and I'll take a look at it. If you have questions on anything, please send me an email, or if you're in the middle of class coding, I can